Welcome to Workwear Safety, where we've been protecting hardworking feet for over 45 years. Step inside and you'll see why no one carries more safety shoes than we do. Over 65 brands in every size and fit you can imagine. From the oil field to the factory floor, we've got the gear that works as hard as you do. Our team's trained to fit every foot right. We're here to help you find what feels good and keeps you safe every time. It's more than boots. You'll find everything you need to stay safe and comfortable on the job. When you walk out of here, you'll be ready for whatever the job throws at you. With locations across Texas, Arkansas, New Mexico, and Colorado, we're right where you need us. Find your nearest store at workwearsafety.com and stop by to get the right fit every time.